Hello, my name is Levi. I'm 19 years old, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my rig. So I have a 2008 Dodge Ram 3500. It's a Cummins 6-speed manual. It's a dually. They have trail grapplers MTs, 35 by 12.5, and then the rim size is 17. I'm not a welder yet. I'm a helper, welder's helper, but just trying to get my rig set up already. I have a Lincoln. It's a SA 200. Works perfectly. As you see, I'm practicing right here. There's my pancake mix. I got there's a little storage right here. Put some tools. As you can see, I don't have any right now. Well, I do, but it's just not in here. Let's see. This is where keep my rods. This is where I can put some jack stands, and this right here, it's for an umbrella. My dad actually made that for me. Use both sides of it. And the bed, I did not build it. I bought the truck just like it is with the welding machine. It's a good truck. Works really good. And yeah, so it's got stock rims on it. Got my food up there. So yeah, like I said, I'm still learning. I'm in the process of trying to become a welder. I really like it. Over here we got hose. I need to buy. I want to set it up here somewhere. I just haven't done it yet. And here have a welding machine. This is my dad's, actually. It's not mine. But I also have a 24-inch, but it's not up here. So yeah, this is it. It's not done. I'm gonna make a follow-up video of when it's complete, and it holds a bottle of oxygen here, and then a bottle of acetylene here. So well, that's it for right now. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. If you got any suggestions of what should I do, any tips and tricks to help me learn how to weld better and get better at it. I'm still learning, as you can see. All right, thank you guys. Bye bye.